Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 10A of class 8, chapter 10, profit and loss. One question number 13 is written on this board. A vendor purchased bananas. A vendor purchased bananas at rupees 40 per dozen and sold them at 10 for rupees 36. Find his gain or loss percent. Here purchasing number is dozen. Dozen means 12 bananas. And selling number is 10 bananas. So LCM of 12 and 10. LCM of 12 and 10 is 60. Now find CP and SP of 60 bananas. So since CP of 12 bananas equal to rupees 40, therefore CP of 1 banana equal to 40 by 12. Therefore, CP of 60 banana equal to 40 by 12 into 60. 12 5 is 60 equal to 45 is 200. Rupees 200. Rupees 200. Now, since SP of 10 bananas, SP of 10 bananas equal to rupees 36. Therefore, SP of 60 bananas, SP of 1 banana 36 by 10. So 36 by 10 into 60. 10 6 are 60. 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36 of 6. Carry 3. 6 3 are 18 and 3 21. Rupees 216. CP 200 and SP 216. CP less than SP. So gain. Find here gain equal to SP minus CP equal to 216 minus rupees 200 equal to rupees 16. Now gain percent. Gain into 100 by CP. Gain into 100 by CP. So gain equal to 16 into 100 by CP 200. 00 to 00. 8% answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 15. A man purchased some eggs at 3 4 rupees 16. 3 4 rupees 16 and sold them at 5 4 rupees 36. 5 4 rupees 36. Thus, he gained rupees 168 in all. How many eggs did he purchase? So let the required number of eggs. Let the required number of eggs be x. Total x, x. Find CP and SP of x eggs. So since CP of 3x, CP of 3x equal to rupees 16. CP of 1x equal to 16 by 3. CP of xx equal to rupees 16x by 3. Now, SP of 5x rupees 36. 5x equal to rupees 36. SP of 1x 36 by 5. Therefore, SP of xx equal to rupees 36x by 5. CP of xx rupees 16x by 3 and SP 36x by 3. According to question, gain rupees 168. 168. He gained rupees 168. Gain equal to rupees 168. That implies gain equal to SP minus CP equal to 168. That implies SP equal to 36x by 5 minus 16x by 3 equal to 168. Now solve it. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15, 3. 6 3 is 18 of 8. 1 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. 108x minus 3 5 is 15. 5 times 16 5 is 18. X equal to 168. That implies subtract 8 minus 0, 8, and 10 minus 8, 2, 28x by 15 equal to 168. That implies x equal to 168 into 15 by 28. 28 by 15 by transposition changing to 15 by 28. So 28 6 are 168 and 15 6 are 90. Understand and write it. Next question, question number 20. A cycle was sold at gain of 10%. Had it been sold for rupees 260 more, the gain would have been 14%. Find the cost price of the cycle. So let CP be rupees X. Let the CP be rupees X. SP at 10% gain. SP at 10% gain equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100 equal to X into 100 plus 10, 110 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel equal to rupees 11xy 10. Next term is SP at 14% gain. Here 14% gain. So SP at 14% gain equal to X CP into 100 plus gain 114 by 100 52 ja and 57 2 ja equal to rupees 57xy 50. Now, according to question, 57xy 50. 57xy 50 minus 11xy 10 equal to 260 more equal to rupees 260. Now solve it. LCM 50 and 10 is 50. LCM 50, so 57x. 10 5 ja 50, 11 5 ja 55. X equal to 260. 57x minus 55x equal to 2x by 50 equal to 260. That implies x equal to 260 into 50 by 2. 2 times 130. 13 5 is 65. 6,500 answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 23. Hema bought 2 pairs of jeans for rupees 1,450 each. Rupees 1,450 each. She sold one of them at a gain of 8% and the other at a loss of 4% and one of them gain of 8%. Here first of all write total CP. Total CP. CP of each jeans is rupees 1,450 plus rupees 1,450 equal to rupees 2,900. Now SP of one genes, SP of one genes at 8% gain. SP of one genes at 8% gain equal to formula CP into 100 plus gain percent. So CP is 1450 into 100 plus gain percent. So our gain percentage, so 108 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 5 to the 10 and 54 to the 108 and 145 divided by 5. 5 to the 10 and 5 9 the 45. 29 multiply 54. 29 multiply 54. 9 for the 36 of 6 3 carry 3 and 9 5 the 45 5 carry 4 14 6 6 5 1 1566 rupees 1566. And last SP of other at loss of 4%. At %4 loss. Solve it. 1450. 1450 into 100 minus loss percent, so 96 by 100. 0 to 0. 5 to the 10 and 2 times 2 4 the 8 and 2 8 the 48 and 5 times 29 . 29 multiply 45 equal to 29 multiply 48. 29 multiply 48. 9 8 is 72 and 2 7 16 plus 7 23. 160 2 9 3 1 139. Now total SP, clean it. total SP 1566 rupees 1566 plus 1392 1392 equal to, add 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 6 15 of 5, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9, 1 1 2, 58 2 9 5 8. Now SP and gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP. 2958 minus 2900 equal to rupees 58 equal to gain percent. Gain into 100. 58 into 100 by CP 2900. 00 to 00. 29 to the equal to 2%. Answer. Homework. Solve exercise 10A, question 13 to 24. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10A, question number 13 to question number 24. Thank you. That's all.